Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own lava lamp at home, and all you need is a few simple supplies that you should have in your kitchen. The first is going to be an empty water bottle. You will also need some vegetable oil. You will need some water, food coloring, and some Alka-Seltzer tablets. The first step is going to be to get your empty water bottle, open it up, and pour your vegetable oil into it about 2/3 full. The next step will be to get your water and add it to the bottle, filling it almost to the top, leaving just a little bit of space. The next step will be to choose the food coloring of your choice. I'm going to use the color blue, and all you need to do is add a few drops of the food coloring into the water bottle. The next step will be to get your Alka-Seltzer tablet. The tablet will look just like this, and you're gonna need to break it into fourths as best as you can. So in half and then in half again. One at a time, you're going to drop the tablet into the bottle. And then you will put your lid back on to avoid any spilling. Now you can see the bubbles starting to form. They're the color blue, and it looks just like a lava lamp. Of course, you can use any color, food coloring that you want. I just chose blue, but any color will work. You can also use any size water bottle you want. You will just have to make sure you fill up the bottle 2/3 of the way with vegetable oil and top it off with the water. And then in order to continue using your lava lamp, all you have to do is once the bubbles are done forming and have settled at the bottom, you will get a new Alka-Seltzer tablet, and you will just continue breaking it into fourths and dropping them into the bottle. It's as simple as that, and there you have it, your own lava lamp at home, and it's a fun craft science experiment that you can do on your own. Thanks for watching.